Good day, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ovis Culture. Today I'll be taking you on how to cut this shift dress. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget also to turn on your notification bell. In case I upload a new video, you will be notified. Don't also forget to give this video a thumbs up. Keep watching. What we need for this tutorial is our fabric, the front and the back is on fold. You can see is on fold. Okay, our plain white fabric and our Ankara what fabric. So this is it. Then the length for this what shift dress is 40 plus what our allowance. Then the width is what 22. So let's get started. The shoulder measurement we'll be using is what 7, but because we'll be cutting what the sleeve along with the shoulder, we'll be adding what 9-inch allowance. So we'll take our shoulder, which is 7, then what? You add 9-inch, because we are cutting the sleeve along with the shoulder. Then, this is our shoulder line. Then our what? Chest line, we'll be marking 11. For our chest line, 11. From your shoulder to your chest line, we'll be marking what? 11. Okay? Be marking 11. This is our shoulder. I told you 7. Okay? Then we'll be adding what? 9-inch. To it. Okay, be adding 9-inch. So you just draw it what? Straight. Just draw a straight line to connect them. You can see it now. So what we'll be doing next, we're taking the hip measurement we'll be using for this tutorial is what? 40. 40 divided by what? 4, we have 10. Then we add what? 2-inch allowance. We add our 2-inch what? Allowance. I told you we'll be using our hip what? Measurement for this particular tutorial, and the hip is 40. When you divide by 4, we have 10. Okay? This your chest line, you place the 10 here. Okay? Plus your 2-inch what? Seam allowance. Okay? Then you do same for the lower part, 10 plus your 2-inch what? Seam allowance. Okay. Then you what? Connect. You connect them with a straight line. You can see you connect with a straight line. I told you connect with what? A straight line, okay? And let your line stop somewhere here. Okay? You stop your line somewhere here. And so you can connect the armhole, okay? Then you connect your armhole to meet this what? This particular line. Can see. So I go back again. This is our shoulder line. I told you 7, then you add 9-inch because of the what we are cutting, because we are cutting the sleeve along with the shoulder. You can see we are cutting the sleeve along with it. So I use what? 7 plus 9-inch. So this is it. I marked my 7 for my shoulder and I added what extra 9 inch for the sleeve. We are cutting the sleeve together with it. Then you connect with what? A straight line. Then take your hip measurement, take it down to, then you connect your armhole. Okay? Then for the neck, for the front, this is the front, our width, we'll be using 3.5. For the width, for the depth, we'll be using what? 4. Okay? You connect. Then for the back, we'll be using the same width, 3.5. Then the depth, we'll be using 1.5. So we connect. So this is it. It's very easy. So we'll be cutting out now. We'll be cutting out. Follow the lines. So this is it. Then we'll cut the neck for the back. Then we'll cut the neck for the front. So this is it. This is the front. We open up. You can see. Yeah, this is the front. Okay. You can see. You can see the neckline. And this is the back. This is the back. Okay. So what we'll be doing now, we'll be turning our neckline with this. Okay. You fold it into 2. Just like this. Then this is the back. This is the back. You place your fabric like this. Then you cut off the neckline. Okay. Then it was cut out. So we'll be using this now to turn what? The back. We'll turn the neckline with this. Okay, for the back. So I will do that now. You can see. Just turn the neckline. I will show you what next to do. You can see it. This is our facing for the back. Then for the front, you do the same thing for the front. You do the same thing for the front. Fold your fabric into 2 again. Fold it into 2. This is the front. You place it like this. Then you will cut out. Okay. I made it long like this so that it won't be coming out after turning. So this is it. I'll be turning my front neckline with this. After doing that, I will show you what next to do. This is our facing. This is our facing for the back. So you will turn it. We are going to use it to turn the neckline. Okay, just place like this, and you will sew. You will do same for the front. You do same for the front. You see, just turn only the neckline for now. Okay. So this is it. You will do same for the front. I have turned the neckline for both the back and the front. So after turning what, you give it a notch okay, so it can relax well. You give it a notch. Okay, this is the front. Then you do same for the back. You do same for the back, give it a notch so it can what? Relax well. After that, you what? We iron, okay? So I'm gonna iron it now and show you what next to do. So to get the opening at the front, you just fold your fabric into two to create this line to know the midpoint, okay? You can see it now. So I'll just, for my neckline, I will mark what? 4. I'll mark 4, just like this. Then in between these lines, I will take 1/2 inch on both sides, 1/2 inch, 1/2 inch, okay? Then I will connect. Okay, I'll connect. You can see it. I told you to get the opening at the front, you iron your fabric to get the midpoint, fold it into 2. Then from your neckline, you place your tape and you mark 4 inch downwards, okay? Then take 1/2 inch in between. So we are going to, you go to your machine and you sew, okay? You open this midpoint and you notch. So I will do that and show you. Okay. So we'll sew now. Just follow the lines. Okay. Stop here. Make sure you're following that straight line. So you turn again. You can pin yours. You can pin yours if you like. Okay. So you need this one 1/2 inch. You can see. Then you cut. Okay. So this is it. Then we are going to notch. Just watch me. You what? Open the midpoint. Just like this. Okay. Then you notch. So it can relax well. Do the same for the other side. You give it a notch. Give it a notch. Okay. Then you turn over. So this is the front. I have created the opening. You can see. And you iron it properly. I did same for the back. So our pocket, this is the fabric what I'm using for this tutorial. The length of my pocket is what? 16. Okay? Afterward, folding in. You fold with 1 inch, fold with 1 inch. That is 18. After folding, you have 16. You fold the sides also. Okay? So I'll be placing my pocket here. You can see. Just place it here. I'll leave this inch for my turning. Okay? So just place it like this. It's very easy. Just follow the lines and place your pocket like this. Then for our rope, you come to this side, okay? You mark what? Mark 17, which is my 1/2 length. 17, okay? You draw a straight line. You can see, stop here. Stop at this mid what? Part. So from here, and what? I'll just mark what? 9 inch. Then I told you what? To fix our rope from your shoulder, you mark what? 17, which is the 1/2 length. Okay, mark 17. Then you get your fabric. Okay, you get your fabric, you fold it on both sides. Okay, also fold it here too. Then the length is what? 1.5. Then you will place it. This particular line I explained before. This particular line you marked. okay, and leave what 2 inch away from this mid line. Then you place like this, you open, you place it in this line that you marked, and you go to your machine and you sew. After sewing, I'll tell you what next to do. I have sewn it. I told you just sew one side, okay? Sew one side and you what? Turn. Then after turning, at least it should be what? 1 inch, okay? So you get your rope. This is our rope. Just cut what your fabric and fold. Then you place your rope here, okay? You place it here. You can see what I'm doing. You place your rope here and you cover up. You cover up, then you stitch. Your rope should be inside, okay? You stitch, then you will stitch, cover up. Cover up while your rope is inside. You cover up, you stitch, okay? So I will do that now and show you. Okay, now I told you put your rope inside like this, okay? Place your rope inside, then you will sew. You sew the rope along with it here, then you turn. As you are turning, please don't sew the rope, okay? Make sure you don't sew the rope. So this is it. Then you stop, okay? So by the time you will draw, you have something like this, okay? You understand what I mean now? You have something like this. You will do same for the back. You can see I have sewn my rope. I have sewn my rope. I placed it inside. You stitch your rope here, okay? But here, don't stitch your rope. So this is it. So I will do same for the back now, and we will join our shoulder so that you can what? Draw it like this. So I will do same for the back and show you. Then I will join the shoulder, okay? Front, you can see, and this is the back. This is the back, okay? So I'll join them what? Together. So what we'll be doing now, we'll be joining our shoulder, okay? We'll be joining our shoulder. This is the front, this is the back. You bring them together like this. You bring your shoulder together, okay? Take the midpoint of the front, take the midpoint of the back, okay? We'll just sew what? Straight. Sew straight down and do same for the other one. I'll do that now and show you. So we'll be joining our shoulder for the two sides. Okay, I told you midpoint to midpoint. So you do same for the other side. Then you notch so it can be relaxed, okay? Give it a notch. Then you turn it over. Turn it over. You can see this is what we have. It's very neat. You can see the shoulder now. So I will iron it now and show you the look. You can see it's very neat. Then you what? Iron it. I did same for the other one. Give it a good press. So what we'll be doing next, you take your armhole, okay, and you what? You fold it. You iron and you fold it, okay. Just fold it the way you fold your what sleeve. Just fold it 2 times, okay. Fold it and fold again. So I will do that and show you. Then we what? We will shape it at the 2 sides. Then aim it on under. So I will just do that and show you. We are already done. I'll do that and show you. Okay, I told you the sleeve, just fold it 2 times and iron. Then you match. Okay, then this will be your result. You can see it. So what we'll be doing now, just what shape. Aim it at the 2 sides. Then aim it what? Under too. So I'll do that and show you. It's very easy. So I'll do that now and show you the look. Aim it at the 2 sides and what? Under too. I'll do that. Our what? Shift dress we are done. I told you aim it at the 2 sides and what? Aim it under. So this is our front and this is our back. So you just will bring your rope together like this. Okay. So this is it. Tie your rope. So this is it. I will wear it now and show you the look. Thanks for watching. The look. I'll put it on now and show you how to wear it. This is it. This is the final result of our shift dress. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more interesting videos.